My name is Christine D'Souza. I'm a licensed professional counselor, and I'm one of the presenters for the Lou Rusby Jr. Foundation. The Lou Rusby Jr. Foundation is a mental health awareness and suicide prevention program. Today we were presenting to a group of students, grades 7 through high school, about mental health, depression, anxiety, self-harm. We talked about suicide warning signs and symptoms, and prevention and coping skills. We're here to talk about the issues that other people are not talking about and offering guidance and support and education to help them do what they need to do for themselves. I'm not going to do so well on that test, which means I'm not going to do so well in that class, which means I'm not going to do well in high school. I'm going to fail. I'm not going to get to that college my parents want me to go to. We can't afford it anyway. Does anyone know what that feels like?
I felt the presentation was very beneficial to our student body as well as the teachers and administrators that sat in. It makes them aware of what they should be concerned with, how they can identify with their feelings, and how they can also tell their teachers about what they're feeling.
It was really a great experience because it really interacted with them. Asked questions of the students. We actually had a lot of students here who talked about the depression that they had, talked about the anxiety that they feel. And by having the presentation that was here today, it allowed them to speak out where sometimes they don't have that opportunity.
In my health classes, we do talk about handling stress, what to deal with it, and this just put it up to a whole new level for the students to get help if they do need it and not be afraid to ask.
Completely normal for the adults or the students in this room to have feelings of frustration, anger, anxiety, sadness, hopelessness. But it's not okay. The part that's not okay about that is if feeling like completing suicide is the answer to those problems.
It's pretty common for us to go into the different schools where we have students come up afterwards with their own issues that they want to talk about. There seems to be a surge of concerned students coming up afterwards because we're finally talking about the things that they're dealing with.
We've had a lot of students that are concerned about other students here in the school. And by having a presentation like this here, it really helps to bring it to the forefront and allow students to know what coping skills are there to help their fellow students with.
The fact that they're not in this alone, that there are other people that experience the same feelings they're going through, and there are ways to deal with it. I thought that was very beneficial.
We have so many students that are afraid to ask for help, and now this is giving them an opportunity to come and speak forward.
The impact is tremendous. I have a lot of students that come down to my office and thank us for bringing this presentation from the Lou Rusby Foundation here. And so we were very happy.
So many times that we might live in a box, that we don't know what our other options are. And having somebody say, hey, have you thought about it this way? Here's a suggestion, can really open up our eyes.